Hey guys, welcome back. So it's really cold out. I mean, there's snow on the ground all over, but I'm waiting on a friend to come. I'm gonna change a head unit out on his truck, but since I'm waiting on him, I wanted to show you. As I mentioned, I can't use my garage. I think I mentioned that. I might have, whatever. So I can't use my garage. I wanted to show you why. It's because my grandfather packed it full of stuff. There's windows, a garage door opener. I mean, there's a bicycle hanging from the ceiling. Why? Why? I mean, you know, some of the stuff is mine, like the light bar. I've got a few. I've got a couple. Yeah, see, there's more over there. But it's gonna be a clean out project. It's gonna be interesting because there is all kinds of stuff. Me and my friend were in here last year, and we found, I'm gonna get out into the light. We found a roller for a Maytag gas-powered washer from way back when, and we actually tried it on his because he was working on getting his going again. Didn't work. How is that possible? I don't get it. But yeah, that's the story of my life. Junk everywhere. Oh, and I'm getting another vehicle. Not that I really need one, but I kind of halfway need one, and it'd be nice. I'm gonna inheriting it from my dad. It's not here yet. I'm gonna go work on it maybe next weekend or the weekend after. It's a 98 Durango, white 4-wheel drive with the 360. What are you doing, cat? It's just playing with the tape that's stuck to the trash can. Cat's in a nutshell, I guess. So 360 V8, 4-wheel drive, white. Brush guard already installed. Guess what it needs? Nope, you're wrong. It only needs a battery and a little bit of gas. So I'm gonna go do that, and don't worry, you guys will get to see it. Are you enjoying yourself? Can't get distracted by stuff other than tape. So I'm gonna go do that, and we'll see how that goes. The nice thing is that can tow a trailer, so we'll just have to see what happens. I think that neon project may get started, actually, once the frickin' snow stops. I swear to God. Oh yeah, it's supposed to be 50 tomorrow. 48, 49, 50, somewhere in there. It's supposed to be warm. Jeez. I've lived in Missouri long enough, I know that's kind of normal, but still, it's annoying. Incredibly annoying. Oh well, could be worse.